Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. And today Dad and Lizzie have a very special toy unboxing for you, and it's the OMG Dance Dance Dance. What is this, Lizzie? Tell everybody.
It is Gurl.
Gurl? What's Gurl? Is this like a doll? Is this like a poster? What's in here?
It's a doll.
It's a doll?
OMG.
Lizzie has been driving me crazy today to open this up. Lizzie, are you ready to open this?
Yes.
Alrighty, let's go ahead and start.
Oh, that was easy.
Okay, so we're gonna open this up and see. We got the first layer of plastic off. Now what's this? You pull the tab?
Wait, hold on. Yeah, I think you're supposed to open up this.
Oh, you open that up. Oh, look. Check that out. It's got a hologram thing on the front. Is she dancing?
I don't know.
What's she doing? Dance, 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 dance. Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, so now what?
Now we get to open up.
Hold up. What about from the side right here?
Okay.
Here you go, I'll help you out. I'll do that. Okay. Open sesame.
Open sesame.
Alright, let's lay it down on the table because we want everybody to see. Go ahead. Oh. Keep going. Here, I'll get it started. Oh, wait, it's upside down. Flip it like this. Go ahead. Pull.
What?
Ka-chow! Check that out. Look what we have here.
Mariah.
It's a OMG doll, right? Is that what it's called?
Yeah.
And what does she have in here?
She has 15 surprises with black and gray hair with a sports uniform and some black and white shoes.
Awesome. So let's go ahead. We got to get the doll out first, right?
Yeah.
Let's go like this. We'll go like this. This. Very, very fine surgery here. I cut her ponytail off. Just kidding. Okay, so wait. You would?
Yeah.
Why?
Because I've been waiting to open up this doll.
Oh, there's another one. Jeez, she's got some hair. Lord Rikus.
That's just the first one.
Oh, pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
So she's got.
Her hair is.
What's this one's called again?
This is Gurl.
This is Gurl. You can see that she has the Cruella de Vil look going. She's got silver and black hair with white and black shorts. Some kind of crazy sneaker high heel things. Pretty cool, right?
Boots high heels.
Oh, look, let's see what else she comes with. What is in here? We have this, whatever this mystery grab is.
I think I know what it is.
Get that out.
Oh, I know what this is.
Rip this out. We know what this is.
A brush.
A brush.
I don't know how we are going to do it because there's so much jello.
And we know what this is.
A stand.
Stand by your man. You don't know that song.
Nope.
That's everything in there. So, this is what we have. We have parts of a stand, and I'll show you real quick how the stand goes together. Just snap it like that. You can slide one down and then snap one on top. And you have a stand for your OMG doll. Right? I think one.
See, I got it.
Okay.
Right here.
So, now let's see what's in. Pick a container. Which one?
This one. Her.
Let's see.
I know what it is. Jacket.
What? That's like a Disney 50th anniversary jacket, right?
Yeah.
It's even got a hanger. Check out that cool little hanger.
It's actually kind of like Cruella. Remember?
Oh yeah, look, it's got all the graffiti on the inside, and it's actually not just silver. It's like an iridescent color. Pretty cool.
Yeah. And now let's open up this one.
See what's in there.
Oh, I know what these are.
What?
They?
You don't know.
Yeah.
What is that?
This is.
That's a beard. I'm just kidding.
No, this is probably like hairspray.
Hairspray?
Oh yeah, it is. See? Like a spray.
Oh, it's a little
sprayer for
Oh wait,
hair.
look, and it's got a tab. Pull the tab. Now spray it.
It's a black light. Oh, no.
Uh-oh. What's the black light for? What's it saying under her cheek? Look at her cheek. Anything there? No?
Let's.
Hmm.
I think
it
it's
makes
just
her-
neon.
Yeah. Shining on her jacket. Anything? No, it just looks cool. Okay, so let me see. I'm going to show everybody. So this is like a little black light. It looks like a hairspray sprayer, but you can just turn it off and on by pushing the button on top. And what it does is she has neon accents on her outfit.
Like right here.
Like right here where it says sleigh, and it lights that up.
Oh, and look what she has too.
What are those?
Earrings.
Oh, show both cameras. Super cool. Check out those earrings. Some nice big silver hoops. Ow! I'm just kidding.
I can't put it in.
What? Come on. Here, I'll put the other one in.
That's hard.
I'll help you out. That's what daddies do. Oh, there you go.
Now let's put in this.
Oh, we gotta put her jacket on.
Can you do it?
Oh, like I'm an expert at dressing dolls. I mean, come on. It's like me asking you to build a race car.
But you're a builder.
Yeah, and you're a doll dresser.
No, I'm a YouTuber. Hold on. Let me take off her hand.
Take her hand off. It comes off.
Yeah.
Rip it off.
And you can attach it back on.
Oh, it broke.
No?
Just
You
kidding.
can just attach it back
Okay,
on.
so this is Lizzie's tip. Take off her hands
And you can place them back on.
because the holes in the jacket and the clothes are so small. And then you
That's-
just slide her jacket on.
Well, it's still a little hard. It's not hard.
There ain't no way we were getting it on with the hands on. There's just no way.
See? And then this goes right here. Make sure do not lose the hands. I repeat, never lose the hands.
We're in the garage. All right. So,
Then
go ahead.
Put on these.
Our glasses. This is what you can expect to get from the OMG Gurl, right?
And we got it for free. Right?
No, we bought this. Okay, so what do you guys think about this doll? Drop a comment down below. If you like Lizzie's tip about taking the doll's hands off to get the clothes on easier, give her a big old thumbs up. And thank you so much for watching our channel.
Bye.